I don't know if it's recording or not, I've no idea. How do you know if it's recording?
Or something a little more valuable.
Is it recording? You can't see it as well.